Alright, so we have two striped ones that look like Ruthie. One has spots on its bottom belly, the other one doesn't. Also, one has one white fingernails. Okay, this one, no spots on its belly, is and Miss Mom coming to help out. Good girl, Ruthie. Good girl. Okay, so this one, no spots on its belly. One white mitten, white toes. 178 grams. Okay, I'll set it over there. This one, little spots on its belly. 4 white mittens, or 2 white mittens and 2 white boots. 166 grams. Good girl, Ruthie. All right. Let me get these two. Let me get these 2 little black ones here. And I have absolutely no idea how to tell these 2 apart except for, well, this one might have a little bit pinker belly on the bottom here. See that? This one still has his umbilical cord for right now. And they both have this little thing on their noses. But these 2 are solid black for sure. Maybe this one doesn't have longer hair. Here's the rear ends. I don't know if you can tell male or female from them. They both have, it does look like they have some kind of striping on their legs here. Maybe this one more. Good girl, Ruthie. This one here is 170. Let's try again. 172. 172. And this one with the little pink belly. Yeah, baby. Oh, sweet little baby cat. Look at you. So adorable. Look at this little thing. Look at this little baby. So cute. The little face. I mean, it's like so tiny. $162. Let's go this way. 164. Okay, I'll go. Good girl, Ruthie. Good girl, Ruthie. And the final baby, number 5. And this one actually did come out number 5, by the way. So we are in, look at this sweet little guy, little girl, guy, girl, guy. I don't know. Look at you. Look at this little face. Nice little paws. Aren't they cute? They're so adorable. Alright, let's see how much you weigh. There, okay. Let's go here. It's going to be a little bit chilly. 172. 172. And I did name this one Johnny 5 after the robot. Alright, time to go see your mama. Here you go, Miss Ruthie. Here. $15.90 something on there. Good girl, Ruthie. Good girl. Good girl. And here they are, all back in their box. And one is straggled. Come on. Come here. There you go. With all your brothers and sisters. And your mom. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good babies. Good babies. Good mama. Good mama cat. Good girl, Ruthie. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Taking care of your babies. You're a good mom. Yes, you are.